Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. Today I'm gonna quickly unbox and show you my June Super Saver bag. It is if you're new to Super Saver bag, it is a jewelry box especially for earrings. Sometimes they will add a neck piece or any other accessories along with their products, but generally it is 5 earrings and all you pay is $3.99 plus shipping, I believe. I'm not sure. I will put all that information, how to order, what is the price, everything in the description box below so that you can check that out. Let me quickly show you the outer packaging. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, a typical cardboard box, and you have shock proofs inside this. However, each and every earrings, I'm sorry that I have to move away from my frame now and then. So each and every earrings will be packed inside these types of covers, and on top of the cover there will be a bubble wrapping, so you no need to worry about the safety of the product. It is 100% safe, and I ordered twice and it reached me in good condition. There is no problem in transit. So apart from the 5 earrings, this month I chose another earring, the one which I'm wearing. She said this is Maharani model and all, and this one was actually so interesting. You can see it gives an immediate look to you. Whatever dress you put on, it doesn't matter, it just gives you that pop-up look. So this is the another set apart, another earring apart from the box. And I did buy this bracelet, like handcuff one. This was from one of their box, but I liked it very much. It's so simple and elegant, so I got this one. And another one I got, I think these are the two things. Yes, these are the two things which I got apart from the 5 earrings. So now let's get started into the actual unboxing of this June month's box. Before that, if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support, guys. So I just wanted to take this earring off just to show you, how I look without the earring and how it immediately, you can see, it looks like, even though I have full face of makeup, nose pen, but it just gives you an immediate pop-up look of energy. So just see that. You guys see that? So that's how it feels when it's quite heavy. I'm not I'm not going to lie that it is lightweight. It's quite heavy, but see the look, guys. That gives us so much of energy and fresh feel when I see such earrings on me. So let me get straight into the video. I just don't want to blabber a lot. And I will show all the earrings one by one, and then I will link a video, like a minute or two video at the end, showing the products on me, so showing the earrings on my ears. So the first earring is this. It's a colorful chunky with a ring. Generally I don't go with rings and hoops because when I put it, it doesn't fit to my ears. Probably the ears is not properly pierced. That is what I tell to my mom each and every time I put some hooks or like the loop earrings and all. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn up. I have never used it, but I liked the multicolors, so I went with this. I'm so happy about this one. And the second earring is not the one which is featured for this month. This is the second earring which I chose because there was a tassel earring, again a multicolor. It was really good model, but I'm not so into tassel. It's from with metals and tassels. It was really good model, but I'm not into that type, so I just asked for different options, and she suggested me to check her Insta page and come up with anything which is there so that she can check and let us know, whether it is available. So I went with this one. This is so gorgeous. You guys would have seen this earring in one of my Insta posts because I'm in so love with that. I already used it twice, I think. And the other one is this. This also I posted on Insta. This is, looks like a similar pattern probably, but you have the top part of the ears. It's not just a hook earring, it's just like a button one, and this is how it looks like. This is also so pretty and I loved it. And there are other two earrings which is left out, which you have options, like you can choose the color whichever you want. So those are these earrings. So this is so pretty. I am in so love with blue. Whoever very close to me know that my lucky color is blue, even though I'm a big lover of black and white. I love black and white color, but my lucky color is blue. So you see, it's so glittery. And one of these beads was dropped, and I used Fevikwik to settle that out. It's not a big deal because of the transit. I really do understand how much hurdle it is when we ship beauty product. I'm sorry, a jewelry, not a beauty product. Even beauty products comes damaged. Jewelry, it is so difficult, guys. So I'm so in love with this. And this is how the rear side looks like. All the rear sides is good. There is no rusting and all on the rear sides, so I'm happy about that part. I'm coming closer to the frame, I'm sorry guys. So this is the last set of earring, and if you have if you are already a follower of me in Instagram, you should have seen this too. So I already tried this. So most of the earrings I used, and not only single time, multiple times I used it. So this is how it looks like. So now it's time for you to see how this is gonna look on me. That's it guys, that's the end of the video. I will meet you soon with another video, and if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to hear from you guys, and if you have any suggestions for the Super Saver bag or for my video, please do leave that in the comment section below. And if you're not following me on my Instagram or on my Facebook page, please do follow guys, and have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye bye.